Learn and play online.
Get ready to recall the multiplication facts for the 8 times tables. You will have 12 questions to answer and only 10 seconds for each question. Record your answers on a whiteboard or a piece of paper and mark the answers at the end. How many will you get right? Question 1. 8 times 2. Question 2. 8 times 9. Question 3. 8 times 6. Question 4. 8 times 1. Question 5. 8 times 5. Question 6. 8 times 10. Question 7. 8 times 8. Question 8. 8 times 3. Question 9. 8 times 11. Question 10. 8 times 7. Question 11. 8 times 12. Question 12. 8 times 4. Now get ready to mark your work as the answers appear on the screen.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe for more videos.